Hi, and welcome to my Parts of an Apple educational short. In the description below, you can print out your own Parts of an Apple work map. Using a sharp knife and a cutting board, cut your apple into the 5 different parts: seed, core, stem, flesh, and skin. For this art activity, you're going to need 2 cupcake liners, a Sharpie, a twig, construction paper, and a toilet paper roll. In the center of one of your cupcake liners, poke a small hole. Then, add glue to the top of one of your toilet paper rolls. Press gently the cupcake liner onto the glue. Flip over your toilet paper roll and add glue to this end. Then gently place another cupcake liner onto the glue. Flip over your project once more. Now add the twig into the center of the cupcake liner. If you choose to do so, use a Sharpie or a marker to draw as many seeds on your core as you'd like. Also, you can cut out a shape of a leaf and add it to the end of your twig. Thanks for watching my educational short on parts of an apple. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to post them down below. I'll see you next time.